This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the basics done, battery charged and Bluetooth on. Open the E-Tube app and tap Connect to search for your Shimano unit. Once the device appears, select it and accept pairing prompts. This establishes the communication link so settings and firmware can be read. While connecting, make sure the bike is stationary and the battery display shows adequate charge. If you skip pairing, you cannot read components. Once connected, the app will display model names and current firmware versions. This tells you what to update next. Once connected, tap Firmware to compare installed versions versus current releases. Choose the components that need updating and start the process. The app downloads and installs updates. Do not power off the battery or leave range while flashing, because interruptions can corrupt modules. After updates finish, go to Configuration to adjust shift mapping, multi-shift timing, and switch assignments. These changes alter how your drivetrain responds, which is why you test each change. Save each configuration as a named profile so you can quickly switch between road, training, or turbo. You finish by testing everything. Shift through the cassette, watch derailleur movement, and confirm battery and LED indicators read correctly. Once satisfied, sync the saved profile to the bike and perform a short ride to verify behavior under load. Make small adjustments if shifts feel slow or overshoot. If a firmware update fails, make sure battery is fully charged, reconnect via Bluetooth, and retry the flash. If problems persist, use the app's Reconnect tool and contact Shimano support. Don't ride with suspected electronic faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.